Okay, what's going on, guys? Right now I'm here at Orchard Road. I'm walking along the street. I think this is the best way for us to test the audio or the best audio for our Insta360 X. As you are all aware, Insta360 X audio is not that good. It's okay, but it's not that good. It doesn't have any 3.5mm audio jack, so you cannot plug in any audio. And even if you do, it will show in your footage, so it will not be invisible. The solution that I have is this external recorder paired with the lavalier mic. So I'm using a Zoom H1N and I'm using Boya M1. Okay, so this is the Boya M1 lavalier mic, and then I have the Zoom H1N. So I have no time to put it under my shirt. At least you know that I'm using the lavalier mic. I think I'll be filming until the battery runs dry. I'm now walking here still in Orchard Road, and I'm trying to find a place where I can sit and rest because wow, my food is killing me. And I think there's a coffee shop here, there's a Starbucks here. So how do I sound? Is it good? I'm in a busy street of Orchard, and I hope you can hear me properly using this audio setup that I have, which is the Zoom H1N and the Boya lavalier mic, the Boya M1. So this is how I sound using this setup, and this is how I sound, or this is the camera sound using the built-in microphone. So do you see the difference? So using this built-in microphone, there's a lot of echoes, and the wind noise cannot. The wind noise is so noticeable. So now I'm going to have a coffee, but let us go back to our Zoom H1N and Boya M1 setup. So this is Orchard Road. I don't know what building it is. So the sun is so bright, I'm shooting under all auto mode. And that is the Wisma Atria. Which tower is this? Alright. So anyway, so we have a building here. So I think this is good for now. So let me try to have a... Okay, let me have a coffee first. So here we go. And we are testing the Insta360 X audio. So I'm using the Zoom H1N and I'm using the Boya M1 microphone. So this is how it sounds using the Zoom H1N and Boya M1, and this is how it sounds using the internal audio microphone of Insta360 X. So this is just a continuation of our vlog last time. So sound check, sound check. Alright, so here is so I'm now using so let's go back to our setup. So this is our setup, our audio setup. Check again. So do you think this setup is good for your Insta360 X, GoPro, or any other camera without a 3.5mm jack? It's up to you. So I gave you the quality So it's up to you to decide if you are going to purchase this. Alright, peace! Okay, so we're done testing outside. Apparently I wasn't able to test it inside here, the coffee shop, because the battery is already drained, so I have no battery anymore, so I'm using my OSMO pocket. But since we are testing the sound quality of the Zoom H1N, so this is the Zoom H1N using and I sync it to the OSMO pocket. So this is indoor, so I'm indoor and I'm inside the coffee shop right now. Okay, so as you see, okay, so this is the sound of this Zoom H1N using the lavalier mic from Boya M1, and this is the sound of the DJI Osmo Pocket. Again, this is the sound of DJI Osmo Pocket. So you try to compare which is better, and okay, can you hear the music? Can you hear the ambience? So now let's go back to the Zoom H1N and Boya lavalier mic. So this is a test, again indoor test. Okay, so this is a good pair. This is a good pair for your camera. Okay, so even for your GoPro or any camera without a 3.5 audio millimeter jack, and this camera or this mic can also be connected to the camera directly. Okay, so that's all for the short review for this mic. I hope it helps you. I hope it helped you decide which if it's better for you before you buy it. Okay, bye, peace.